In this video, I'll show you how to change the country targeting in your Google Ads campaign so your ads reach the right geographic audience. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and selecting the campaign you want to modify from the Campaigns section in the left navigation. Location targeting is configured at the campaign level, so make sure you're editing the correct campaign before making changes. Next, click Settings, then find the Location section. Here you'll see the countries or regions currently targeted by the campaign. To update them, remove any locations you no longer want and use the search box to add a new country or region. Select the correct option from the list and save your changes. Keep in mind that adjusting location targeting may affect impressions, competition, and costs depending on the market. Monitor performance after the update to ensure the campaign continues to meet your goals. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.